In this video, I will show you how to turn off professional account on Instagram. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, open up Instagram on your device. Now, once you've done that, you want to come and press onto your profile icon down in the bottom right hand corner to be taken to your profile page. So as you can see, this current Instagram account is a professional account as we have the professional dashboard just here. Now to go ahead and turn this off and switch back to a personal account, what you're going to want to do is come up and press the three lines in the top right hand corner, and then from here you want to come down to this section that says for professionals and then press onto create tools and controls. In here you just want to scroll down a bit and press onto switch account type, and then what you want to do is press onto switch to personal account. Now, once you press onto this, you're going to get a pop-up window and it's going to give you some information on what happens when you switch back to a personal account. All you need to do is press switch to personal account, which is highlighted in red here. And after a second or two, that's going to go ahead and switch from a professional account back to a personal account. So as you can see, if we come back to my Instagram profile page, you can see the professional dashboard has now disappeared, which means we have turned off professional account. So that is how to turn off professional account on Instagram. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.